Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on subtitles on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on the subtitles on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone, and after that open up any video on which you want to turn on the subtitles and open it. And let's pause this video, and after opening up an video you can see the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen on this video platform. Tap on the gear or the settings icon and you can see the captions options over here just below the playback speed. Tap on captions and you can see there is the auto translate one and the English auto generated one. And to enable or turn on the captions or subtitles on YouTube video, choose anyone, either English or captions or auto translate, whichever may be. According to the language you can translate which you want to. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn on subtitles or captions on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.